shortly after being chosen by God, he was faced with negativity. His father overlooked him and his brothers despised him.
Yeah.
Some people just cannot celebrate the elevation or success of others. But
Uh-huh.
God was right there showing his love for and care to David.
Yeah.
You see, God never assigns you to do something that he knows you can't do.
That's
He
right.
will never put more on you than you are able to bear.
Yeah.
All you need is a need, and God has it.
Yeah.
In this capacity of scripture, we find that David trusted God.
Uh-huh.
And it's informing us that we can also trust God.
Yeah.
You can depend on God.
Yeah.
He said that even now that he's old, he still remembered from his youth that God had never forsaken him.
Uh-huh.
And his seed never did not eat.
Yeah.
You can depend on God.
Yeah. Yeah.
David was able to say this because of the encounters he had endured that God brought him through.
Uh-huh.
Let me share some things that David had gone through. See, if you never had a problem, you would never know that God was God. God allowed David to defeat a lion and a bear and Goliath the giant.
Yeah.
When Saul